Hi everyone, welcome back to the Brian Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Ricky Whitehead, and today we're going to discuss a topic that might surprise some of you: adult adoption in Texas. Most people think of adoptions as something that only involves children, but Texas law allows for adults to be adopted too. In this video, we'll go over what adult adoption is, how it works, and why people might choose to go down this path. We'll also explore a real-life example to show how adult adoptions can impact people's lives. Adult adoption is a legal process. In Texas, that means it allows one adult to adopt another adult. Unlike traditional child adoption, this process focuses on creating a formal legal relationship between two adults. So once an adult adoption is finalized, the person being adopted gains the same legal rights as a biological child. That means they can inherit from the adoptive parent, they can have their relationships recognized legally in a way that strengthens family bonds. The adoption must be consensual. The adult being adopted has to agree to it. So typically this process is used when there's already a strong emotional connection, such as a step-parent and stepchild, or between long-term guardians and their former wards. Let's talk about the legal process. In Texas, adult adoption is relatively simple compared to the adoption of minors. First, the person wishing to adopt, known as the petitioner, will need to file a petition for adoption in the county where they reside. This petition includes the names, ages, and addresses of both the petitioner and the adult being adopted. Because both parties are consenting adults, there's no need for a home study, background check, or termination of parental rights, which is required for the adoption of minors. The court's main focus is ensuring that both parties fully understand the legal implications of the adoption. Once the petition is reviewed by the court, a hearing is going to be scheduled. If the court is satisfied that the adoption is the best interest of both parties and that they both consent, the judge is going to issue an order granting the adoption. Now you might be wondering, why would someone choose to adopt an adult? Well, there are several reasons. The most common reason is to formalize an existing parent-child relationship. Step-parents who have raised children from a young age may want to make their bonds official, once the child becomes an adult. Another reason is inheritance rights. In Texas, adult adoption allows the adopted person to inherit from their adoptive parent, just like a biological child. This can be very important in estate planning. In some cases, people use adult adoption to solidify familial bonds when there's no biological relationship that existed prior, but there was a long history of emotional connection. For example, long-term foster parents may adopt an adult they raised as a child. Let me share a real-life example to help illustrate how this can play out. Sarah, a 22-year-old woman, was raised by her stepfather James after her biological father passed away when she was a baby. Although James never formally adopted her while she was a child, he always acted as her father in every sense, emotionally, financially, and physically. Once Sarah turned 18, she wanted to honor their bond by making their relationship official through adoption. James and Sarah filed a petition for adult adoption with their local court in Harris County. During the hearing, both Sarah and James expressed their mutual love and commitment to each other, explained that this adoption was not just about legal rights, but about officially acknowledging the bond they shared for years. The judge was moved by their story and granted the adoption, giving Sarah all the legal rights of a biological daughter, including inheritance rights. This process brought peace of mind to both Sarah and James, knowing that their relationship was officially recognized by law and they could now move forward as an official family. To sum it up, adult adoption is a powerful legal tool in Texas. It allows adults to formalize existing relationships, secure inheritance, and strengthen family bonds. Whether it's a stepchild wanting to formalize their relationship with a step-parent or a foster parent adopting an adult child, the process is straightforward, and the results can be incredibly rewarding. Thank you for tuning in today. To learn more about adult adoption in Texas, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Brian Fagan YouTube channel for more valuable content on Texas family law. Your support helps us continue to share important legal insights with families across Texas. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.